A summary now of the markets in this video. As you can see by now that you've looked through all the different markets, each market can have its own characteristics and each one of them will have their own market size and liquidity perspectives and criteria, right? Now, however, do understand that you do not need to go and trade the market with the biggest liquidity. Do not do that. But however, choose the market that you want to trade that fits your own risk profile and your personality is what we are looking at. And that way, you will know how to trade the markets and you will also love and enjoy trading that particular market or the collection of markets in your portfolio.
We trust you enjoyed our Traders Education Center tech video. To unlock the full tech modules for free, click on the link below and hit the subscribe button. Then go ahead to register with your contact details and create your unique username and password to enjoy the fully unlocked tech modules.